Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today it is absolutely horrible outside. It's been like that for weeks. You probably hear it from in the house. I'm going to do some knife sharpening. Some people like the sharpening I've been doing, so I'm actually going to show you what I do today. Nothing exciting, but you know, it's good to know. So this one here, I bought secondhand. It is, let's see that. It's a Mach 1 of the Wolverine. The Mach 2 is more of a Puko style. But this one's secondhand. So I'm going to sharpen all my secondhand knives. And I'll show you how I do it. Right, so people, I ask about knives on Facebook. So this one, going by the thumbnail trick, it seems sharp. So, see I screwed up my nails a little bit there. Shaving sharp. I got a little bit of space on this side. It does shave, not great, but does shave. But let's see on the machine what the machine says. This might be sharp enough for, you know, normal use anyway. So it's in there. Just want to move that a bit. It's a bit more. So it's center. About there. So it's reading at 250. So I'm going to sharpen it on my sharpening stones and see if we can get that number a little bit down. Alright, so here's my setup. I got a piece of foam here. I put my base there. I got some clamps here holding the towel down nicely. My stone is soaking there. I got a strap for in between at the end, and then I will just wait for the bubbles to stop there and then start doing my job here. And also the towel stops making a mess, also to clean the knife off a little bit. Right, so what I do is knife down and then edge, and then you shouldn't see any shadow there. Once I find that, I put my thumb, so that's there, I put my thumb on the back of it, so now I know my thumb should touch the stone the whole time. Then I put a second thumb there, and then when I come across here, then my thumb has to be on the stone to have that angle. So that's how I would do it there. Let me just show you a different angle. So, knife down, find that angle, thumb there, and then I push forward, thumb is still on the stone, and then I pull back a little harder than when you pushed. Forward. I kind of find this relaxing. I don't mind doing this, especially in these rainy days. It's terrible out today. So I'll keep doing this until I have a burr on the underside. Strop off the burr a little bit and then just do it on the other side. So I'm just going to do this now until I have a burr, and then I'll show you the burr. So this is the other side now, and you can see that dark line there. I can't really get it much closer than that. But that's the burr. Going across there. So that's how it looks. Right, so I've done the 400 grit and 1000 grit, and you can see how messy this gets, which is why I use a towel. Some of the burr you probably couldn't see because I do wipe it off as I go along here. But let me see if I can get this. So you can see the edge there. It's definitely cleaned up. I can't get it really much more than that. There was a little mistake here using the workshop. That's one of the things you need to be careful of using electric ones, is that when you pull through it, if you don't pull through fast enough, you make a little recurve on your blade. It's a little bit there. I got most of it out, but it's still a little tiny bit there. But that will come out over time anyway. But that's the edge. You can see it cleaned up a lot. Okay. So I'm just going to strap it now, and I'll show you how to do that. You can see it's heavily used. I normally, once I get a knife this sharp, I only just drop after that. So what I do is, again, thumb down, angle down, and then just pull back. Or you can also start from the tip, go back, and then count how many you do. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll start the other side, thumb on the other side, same thing, edge down, and then just pull away. And this will get rid of any other burr you had. And then on this side, just same again, just so what we'll do now is we'll just check the machine and see if we've been doing this right. Right, so I'm just going to test the edge out now. It might be worse, you never know, but it should be fine. Take it to 0. I'm just going to do it the same way without getting my hand in the way this time. Right, so there's a fulcrum point, and we're going to do that now. So I made that slightly better. 225 is utility razor blade. It's between a utility razor blade and a high-end cutlery edge. So that's still pretty good for a bushcraft knife, so I'm happy with that. But, you know, that's how it is, and I just want to show you how the machine runs as well. So guys, thanks for watching. Just want to show you what I do in my hobby, especially when the weather's crap. Again, the edge got better. I didn't spend hours on it. This is only about a half hour of stoning and then a little bit of stropping. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, do you know of the guides, the angle guides? The other ones I found, the back end of it is for kitchen knives, and it's too not big enough for the thicker knives, like 3mm, 4mm, 5mm bushcraft knives. So if you know of a guide for whetstones, let me know in the comment section below. I haven't been able to find any, and I don't feel like making any. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.